And now it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Hey Sea Lions, it's so good to see you today on another Monday morning. Thanks for joining the Sea Lion Splash and stay tuned for a couple updates on what you can expect this week. Have a great day.
Get ready, Sea Lions, for this week's announcements.
The footage in this Sea Lion Splash is pretty minimal. It was raining all week and I didn't have time to get out there and do some recording. But hopefully we'll be able to get out and do a lot more video recording this coming week. The first thing you guys need to know is that we have 3rd and 4th graders going on field trips. And you know, as well as we do, that we have to be on our very best behavior whenever we're visiting a new place with our grade level team. So just remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from any chaperones or tour guides, and make sure that you are trying to do your very best to get along with your classmates. Enjoy what you're doing and soak in all that cool information because you only get to have 3rd grade or 4th grade once. Enjoy. We have a big performance tonight as all of the choruses from across 6 elementary schools, both middle schools and the high school go to Cottonwood to perform in the All-District Choral Festival. Mrs. Bassich and her students in the chorus have been working really hard to make sure that they are ready for this big performance. I hope to see you there. It's St. Patrick's Day on Friday, so I hope you're lucky enough to find that little leprechaun and that pot of gold. Let's remember to treat our friends nicely and to wish them the very best on this St. Patty's Day. Our final announcement is that Imagination Machine is finally here. That's right, all of us Sea Lions get to watch all the cool plays and performances put on by the Imagination Machine this Friday. Let's make sure that we are in our best behavior when we're in the auditorium. There you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye!